In this video, I will give you a quick overview of how to use the filters in Hotjar and customize your options that you have on the website and look at the recordings for a specific scenario based on your needs, right? So here is a recording tab that we have on the Hotjar, and these are the filters. So right now I have filters based on last 30 days and the device is desktop. I can click on this add filter option and look at the various options that are available, the path, how did the user come to the website, what is the landing page before they came to the website, what is the exit page, what are the traffic sources, the channel, are they coming from paid search or a direct channel or an SEO site, right? So, or a digital advertising or affiliate marketing. You could understand the different channels using which the users can come to the site. For now, I will select the landing page, and I can, you can customize the query that says contains, does not contain, starts with. So in this case, I will give something called Google and see if there are any recordings. So seems like there are no videos, so I can clear the filter easily, right? So depending on the website, the pages that you have, and the advertisement source, based on that you can create the filters. Now I will be able to select new users versus returning users. So I see when I give the filter new users, you see that there are 154 recordings, and there are many videos that are of high relevance here. You could also look at the engagement score, the date on which the people interacted with your website, and the frustration, the confusion, the highlights, right? So depending on the user actions, so if they have any bugs in their user experience, it will label that the users have encountered a bug or they had a hard stop, right? So you can look at all of those videos. And another filter that you can use is the country. So you can type the country here and see how many people visited your site from that country and what are the user actions. And then, for example, let me click on this video to see why Hotjar is saying that the users had a bug on the site, right? What is their experience? So now I click on play and notice that the users came to the site, they interacted with the product feature, and they're trying to click on the monthly plans, right? And they moved forward in the flow. Now, here is the exact point or the clip where they encountered a bug. If you notice it, they are kind of stuck at this point in this place, right? So why is that happening? What is the specific device on which they are at? What browser they have used? What is the resolution of the desktop? Like screen size, the operating system, all of this information can be found here. That will help the QA team or the development team to reproduce the scenario, reproduce the issue, and fix the bug. You can also click on view similar recordings to see the user behavior for the similar segment or the profile, and what is their experience like, right? So this is a quick overview of how you can use the filters on Hotjar and how you can customize them to review the experience and identify different bugs or issues. Thank you.